Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, I will show you how to stone your auto gele. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. What I'll be using for this stoning will be my B6000. That's what I will use, and I need a stone. I'm using original stone, this tiny one. So guys, I'll be using this to attach my stone to this auto gele. So watch me as I do that. Just put it at the spot you want the stone to be. If you want it straight, the way you want it, and make sure you are dropping it small. After dropping it, the next thing I'll do is to pick the cover of my stone. So I'll be using it to drop the stone. So after placing your stone, always make sure you press it either with the back of your glue or with your hand. Just make sure you press it down in order to stick very well. So after placing it, use the back of your glue cover to press it down in order to stick very well. You allow the glue to touch the cover. You can see that by the time you use it, you pick the stones. So you pick the stone one after the other, like so. So guys, if you don't know how to make this cap, I'll put the link at the description box. So guys, while you are working with the cover of the glue, you have to use your hand and cover it up. Remember, you don't need to allow air to enter inside the glue. So I have to use my hand and cover it while I'm working with this. So there are so many ways you can stone your cap or dress. You can as well use iron, can use applicator, stoning applicator or stoning machine. So there is so many method of stoning. So this is one of the easiest. This one is just with your hand, not with any other machine. You can as well use your glue, gun glue, and stone your clothes or cap, anyone you choose. As far as the stone is very, very firm, with any method you are using is okay. So guys, you can use it to create any design you want. You can see I made a clustered stone in here. Just anyhow you want. So guys, after stoning, this is how it looks. Very beautiful. Make sure you try it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video. So guys, if you don't know how to make this cap, I'll put the link at the description box. Just click on the link and watch how to make it.